test tube. Here's your test tube. Okay. And your funnel. The funnel here. Oh, before you use your funnel. Okay, so we're just practicing to pour. Alright, you use your peas, put some in here. Just enough. Okay, and now you're gonna pour it in your funnel. A little at a time so that it goes down. Okay, if it gets stuck, so just a little at a time because the hole is pretty small. Some of these seeds are probably big, but that's okay. Go. Okay, let's move it around. I think some of the seeds are too big. Alright, let's get some rice. Okay, so we can mix some rice with that. Alright, so all we're doing, we're using black beans that's split. Funnel. Test tube and a test tube holder. A container to keep things in its place. And we're just practicing to pour. Okay, let me get a little rice. Do you want some rice? You want some rice for that activity? Let's get some rice, okay?
We can put some rice in there?
Yes. So it won't get stuck in the funnel. Alright, give me a minute. These cute. I got this off Amazon. It came in a Discovery Science kit. So all we're doing is pouring, scooping. Well, not really scooping. He's using the funnel. Putting the funnel in there, and then he'll put the rice and the beans in that. Simple but effective. What type of skills is he learning? Can you tell me? What type of skills is he practicing here? Huh, Tyler? Well, one, he's learning about quantity. If he puts too much in the funnel, in the test tubes, then it will overflow. He's using pincer grasp here. And he tried pouring all of this in the small containers and realized that, it's too much. So I gave him some smaller containers, big, medium, and small, those to work with. So, he's figuring things out. Learning through discovery? Yeah. Was this too big for your face? Oh. Just putting baking soda in here. The test tube. If you can't scoop it, then you can pour it. Yes. Pour it over the table. Over the counter. Pour it directly in the funnel. Okay. Now, what do you want to do next?
Use that.
Okay. And that's the vinegar. You want to pour it through the funnel? Okay. Whoa, that's so pretty though. That is beautiful. It's a nice color. Vinegar and baking soda. How far is it gonna come up? That one didn't come up very far. Let me get you some more vinegar so you can finish that.
How that one come up?
Because it needs more baking soda. That is why it didn't come up. Okay? The chemical reaction is done. So you'd have to add more baking soda and more vinegar for the...
Can I have more vinegar and more baking soda and more paint, please?
Okay, you just want more. You don't care about the explanation. I understand. Okay, one more time, right?
Here. More.
More baking vinegar.
Towel.
There it is. Always clean up. That's enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pour this in there.
Pour what? The rice? So we just made some colored rice. A little vinegar. We added some vinegar to the test tube and food coloring. Pour it in the container here, mix it up, and then we're gonna let it dry.
When we come back, we'll check it's dry.
We will check it out to see if it's dry.